Hi, it's William Jumping. Welcome to my channel. So I know I've been go through a lot, and you may not recognize me. But hey, that's the face reveal video. Okay. I already recorded a face reveal video at my another channel called Learn Digital Art with William Jumping. But I want to make the video here at this code with William Jamming too, because I want to say different things, because I want like to separate different channels. So yeah, I'm go through a lot, and but if you want to know what I've been go through, you can check out that video. I already said that. I don't want to record that again. And yeah, so basically it's a turning point in my life, and I want to, yeah, I just no longer afraid, and I want to be more honest with you guys, and be more productive, to have more sincere interaction with you guys. And so I will like record more videos, and maybe stream more videos, have more streams, and just chat and make more video, just make more, okay, with you guys. And for this coding channel, I want, do an overhaul of all these previous tutorials, and basically my skill already improved as I record this video and doing all this project as well as contracts. So I want to, first doing the overhaul of the previous tutorial series. The second is doing more advanced and bigger projects, and doing more streams, and share the project I'm working on, and like a devlog, um, and and then of course I want to, use this as a platform to promote the game as well as the apps that I made. Yeah, so it'll be pretty exciting, because I tend to go back to return to my normal life, and start working. Okay, so thank you so much for your support or for this channel. So I just want to, reveal the face, and say hi, and say thank you, and show my gratitude to you guys. And yeah, so that's all. Thanks. Bye.